Hey, it's Keith at Yarbrough and Sons, and I'm here with Ricky and Daniel, and we're doing an install in Nichols Hills, and just kind of want to show you the process. A typical changeout usually takes about 8 hours, and so we just kind of wanted to show you through it. As you can see, the unit looks great. Definitely from going from a 30-year-old unit to actually a 35-year-old unit to a brand new unit. It's going to last a long time, and it looks great too. So, well, thank you. And if you have any questions about install or service, definitely call 485-3470.